Hello guys, welcome back. So, if you're using a Bosch battery charger and you notice different lights turning on, blinking, or changing colors, it can be confusing because these indicators are the only way the charger communicates its status. Whether the battery is charging, fully charged, or facing an issue, each light pattern has a specific meaning. Many users get worried when they see unusual blinking lights, thinking the battery or charger is faulty, when in reality it might just be a normal status signal. On the other hand, some light patterns do indicate problems like overheating, poor connection, or battery errors. In this video, I'll guide you through the common Bosch charger light meanings and the exact steps to fix related issues. Try these. 1. Observe the LED light color and blinking pattern carefully. 2. Identify if a red light indicates charging or a fault condition. 3. Confirm that a green light means the battery is fully charged. 4. Allow the battery to cool down or warm up if temperature warning appears. 5. Clean battery and charger contacts to ensure proper connection. 6. Reinsert the battery and check if the indicator returns to normal.